It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love.
Hey ladies, and welcome back to my channel. I am MissLBailey, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. If you are not subscribed to my channel, then definitely make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the notification button so you can be notified when I upload. Now that that is all out of the way, this video is going to be the second video for my Beauty on a Budget series for Valentine's Day, and I am really excited about this video. This video is for those ladies that love inches, okay? You guys know that inches are in, and if you don't, like, where have you been? That rhyme. Anyway, inches are in, and you always see Nicki Minaj rocking it, Cardi B, like, inches are in. Everybody wants the long 40-inch hair, but that can really cost you a pretty penny. Like, these bundles are, like, the prices can get pretty steep and pretty hefty. So I was contacted by Sam's Beauty, and shout out to them because they are just amazing. Everything came really quick, and everything was in tip-top order. So when they contact me, I'm like, yes, this will be perfect for the series that I'm doing. So this unit is for those ladies that want to get those inches but don't want to spend that money. Now, for those ladies that aren't into the long, super long hair, I'm also gonna have a short version of this video, Beauty on a Budget. So don't worry, I got you covered. Do not trip. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. This wig is by Magic Lace, and this is the newborn free wig, and this is in the color 1B. The wig code is MLU08. And I will have all of the information and the direct link to this wig in the information bar, so be sure to check that out. And this is a 40-inch wig. It has large parting space, and it's supposed to be iron safe as well. So this is how the unit comes packaged in a little plastic baggie. And look at all that lace. I love it. The hair is protected very well. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it off. And you guys, this hair is so pretty. This is not real hair. This is, I think, a human hair blend. But you can put heat on it up to 360 degrees. And that's pretty much like how much I use on my flat iron anyway, so that is like perfect. You can use heat on this hair, and this hair comes in a whole bunch of different colors as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out, and the lace is really thin, which I like. Okay, so this is the construction of the unit. It has two combs in the front, and it also has a comb in the nape area. This is the parting space. It says 4x4, so you get a pretty good amount of parting space. And I really love the lace on this because it's super thin. And the color on this is really nice as well. It's a 1B, so it's very natural looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lace. And it combs straight through. It's not any shedding or tangling. And I'm just using my vent brush. I am noticing a lot of tangling at the bottom. Ooh, yes, girl. This is gorgeous. I love. This is fine. Okay, ladies, so this is the length on this bad boy. I have to pull out and zoom out for a second. This hair is so freaking long. I love it, you guys. Look how long that is. Now, mind you, I'm 5'2", so this goes past my butt, you guys. Look at that. That goes past my butt. And I'll show you guys the back. So this hair is gorgeous, you guys. I didn't really do too much to this wig. All I did was put some heat on it, and I used it on my regular flat iron setting, and it did really, really good. It makes the hair more manageable when you just put some heat through the hair and through the ends. I think I'm probably going to end up thinning this hair out just a little bit, especially the ends, because that's pretty much the only part that's giving me some trouble. This hair comes in so many colors. I got this hair in a 1B, and I wish I would have got it in like a number 2 because it is very, very dark, but it's not that big of a deal. The hair does have some shedding to it, but when you're dealing with these lengths, you should expect that. This is like some really, really long hair. When I flat ironed it, it did have like a funny kind of smell to it, but that is because I'm sure of the synthetic fibers. And all I did was cut the lace, and then I put a little bit of concealer in the parting. I've even plucked the parting. And this wig is big head friendly. I have a huge head, and this fits me just fine, very snug. You can adjust the drawstrings in the back to your liking. You're gonna need one of these combs when dealing with this hair. This is not an everyday wig. Also, this is like a special occasions wig, because if you try and wear this every day on an everyday basis, then you're gonna ruin it because it's gonna tangle. It's not real hair. It's very, very close, but it's not real hair. So it's gonna tangle, and you're just gonna ruin this. But for 37 bucks, like, come on, you cannot beat that. That's bomb. Like I said, this wig is definitely 40 inches. I'm 5'2", and like I said, it comes like pretty long. It literally comes past my butt, long hair. But I love it. I absolutely love it. This is definitely the look, you guys. So that completes this video for beauty on a budget for the lengths for less. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to click the link in the information bar if you are interested in purchasing this wig. It is absolutely amazing. A big thank you to Sam's Beauty for supplying this wig for me. And thank you guys so much again for watching. Please be sure to like this video. If you haven't, it helps me out a lot. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye. You see them inches? You know what I am about?